Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. It is a beautiful day today here in the countryside, and in today's video I am going to give you guys a quick tour of the terrace that I have here in the province house. So I think the last time that I have updated you guys, the terrace is not done, or it doesn't have tiles even. So today the terrace has finally finished, and yeah, I'm super happy and excited, as you guys can see in my face right now, even though I have been sick for the last few days and trying to recover still up until now. But yeah, welcome to the terrace here in the countryside. So this is actually the entrance and exit as well, and this is gonna be our lock. Ta-da! Come on in! Welcome! Alright, let's get inside, guys. So yeah, this is how the terrace looks like. If you guys can see, we already have the tiles. So you know that we got these tiles again in Cebu Home Builders. It's 145 pesos each, which is 60 by 60. And yeah, this is a total of 30 pieces of tiles, so that's around 4,500 pesos. And yeah, if you look here, we've already put this really old bamboo sofa set that I got from the previous province house, and this has been actually wrecked and destroyed because of the rain and the sun and the rain and the sun. That's why it looks really bad now, but it can still be used. That's why it's here. And if you guys remember, actually the other day, sorry, I was not able to vlog that day when we did the day 2 of house blessing, and that's because Tom wasn't feeling so well. I wasn't really feeling so well. I was just trying to be well because some of my friends were here. Vingo and Lynn came, and yeah, I just had to entertain them and that. But yeah, I started doing the vlog and then I did not continue it because just not feeling it. We have those days. A lot of those days happen if you're a vlogger. But yeah, anyway, so we have this, and I'm not sure if we have to continue using this. It looks really bad. Yeah, I think we will have to order a new one. But yeah, this is how it looks. And we have just been sitting here, and yeah, it feels really nice because we have the cool breeze. And yeah, it's very refreshing to sit down here and very relaxing at the same time. So if you guys would like to ask what's the size of this terrace, it is 6 by 20 feet, and I know that's a really weird ratio or size of a terrace. A lot of you have commented that it would have been nice if it was like 10 feet wider or 8 feet wider, but yeah, this is the size that I decided to choose because my budget, that's what my budget could make. And yeah, I'm quite happy with it. To be honest, looking at it like in the camera right now, I'm not sure if it does justice, but it actually looks really wide. I mean, very spacious. In the camera, when I was trying to edit that video, it looks really narrow. But yeah, this is it, guys. So I'm sitting right down here, and we still have like a lot of room over there. So the 6 feet is just really fine. We can even still put that table over there and put it here. Then we could, you know, have breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So yeah, it's an okay size, especially when all of this house will be done, which is going to be in the next few days. It's only going to be Tom and I that's going to be always here. And even during the house blessing, we were all here, and yeah, everyone was able to sit down, everyone was able to eat on the table. So it is an okay size, all right? Okay, let me take you guys here in the other side of the terrace. So if you guys can see here, we have here the door, which is the exit. So you can also enter from here and exit from here at the same time. Now I decided to add this countertop. So this is going to be my little dirty kitchen as well. So we have here the sink, and we have here faucet as well. So it already has water. There you go. That just makes me happy, because you know, when we're eating here and that, we don't necessarily need to bring all of the plates inside and wash it there. We could just put it here and wash it here as well. and it really feels good to do something here, especially like cooking or washing dishes, because we have a really nice breeze. Like right now you don't really feel stressed when you're like doing something, washing stuff like that, because the air is just gonna give you good vibes, and you know, it feels really nice. So if we go take a look here, it's still not really done, this area over here. They're just working on this morning, but this is a little cabinet. We can put some stuff over there. I can't really open it and show it to you guys. There's nothing really inside, but yeah, we're gonna put a handle here so that we could open it. Same goes here on the other side. We have this cabinet as well, so we could put, I don't know, what are we gonna put here? Maybe some stuff that we don't normally use like on a daily basis. But here we have this little countertop, right? I am going to put here a gas stove. So I was thinking if I should make this like a wood kind of like cooking area, but then again, that's not a very good idea, because when you use wood, your house will be smoked out and everything will go black. So yeah, we are going to use gas here, so that's why we had to make it tile so that it's easier to clean as well. So yeah, all of this that you guys can see here, by the way, are the leftover materials that we use for the house. So if you guys can take a look, this tiles is actually the leftover tiles that we have in the toilet in the bathroom. So yeah, that's how it looks. Actually looks nice. I mean, yeah, looks good, right? And this one over here is the leftover tiles that we have in the main house. So yeah, it's good to put this kind of tiles here because it's shiny, so it's easier to clean when there's like splashes everywhere and that. And then here we have this table. This is a table that we are going to use if we decide to dine in here in the terrace, which is gonna happen a lot from this moment on, because actually today, it's only today that they really finished everything. That's why I just did this video. So I just decided to put it here in the meantime, and we can just drag it over there if we decide to eat. Also, we could drag it here, which we actually did during the fiesta, the house buzzing, and then we just have like some stool chairs around it, and it was good. So we are overlooking this really nice view over here, which is so pretty, and yeah, it's just overlooking the mountains, and it's very nice to look at and just talk with, you know, the people. Okay, so if you guys can take a look here on the railings that we have, this actually does make me happy. I love the idea of deciding to choose railings like this, like using metal and not, you know, the concrete type, because there's going to be a lot of air that will come in. Even if you're just sitting over there, there's still air that will come in, so that's good. Actually, this area over here needs more painting. If you guys can see, you can still see a bit of the red lid that we put. So yeah, this is, I think, first coating, and we ran out of black paint already, so that's why we have to redo it. And also, if you guys can look up, you guys can see we have this hanging lights. Actually, there's 3 of them. There's one over there, 2, 3. We're still trying to figure out how could we, or where should we put this light over here. I'm not sure if I'll just wrap it around the metal over there, or yeah, we'll try to figure that one out. And also, I do have a plan, by the way, here on the railings as well. I wanted to put some plants here so that it would look really nice and refreshing, especially in the morning. I want to like water the plants here, and yeah, that's just the tita in me. Little things that makes me happy. The next plan will be putting some plants here, hanging plants, and I think it would look really, really nice. Also, one of the things that we could do as well, like here in the countryside, the weather has been very unpredictable, and if you're washing your clothes, which we do here most of the time, it does rain in the afternoon, in the morning for just an hour, and it stops, and then it rains again, and that I am thinking of putting like a rope here that will go from there to here and over on the other side, and we could hang our clothes there as well. I know it's not gonna be good to look at, but you know, especially on those days where there's no one here, it's just Tom and I. So we could put our clothes here and it's gonna be dry and we don't need to worry about rain and that. Also, by the way, here, if you guys can take a look, we have here this window, right? And if you can see, the other windows around the house actually have the railings, or no, it's not railings, it has the window guard. This one doesn't have, if you see, but my uncle is currently working on it right now. If you guys can remember, the window guard that we used, all of the windows was from the previous one, and before, the previous province house only has 5 windows, and now we do have 6, so that's why this one doesn't have. But yeah, my uncle is currently working on it actually right now. He's almost finished with it, and yeah, we should be able to put it right here. You might be asking, Meljean, maybe you don't necessarily need to like put window guard here, but yeah, we actually have to, you know, because you never know, this area here could, like, you could get inside here without having to like open the little gate we do have there. You could just jump, and then it's gonna be easier to like go in this route because there's no window guard. So yeah, I'm not saying this because there's like a lot of robbery happening or burglary whatsoever. We're just trying to prevent what we could prevent, so that's why we're doing that. We don't want anything bad that will happen. Sorry, we're so all over the place. This is impromptu. Here in this little countertop, I know a lot of you have suggested, right, that we are going to make it open. So this is going to be the final look of this kitchen here, because it feels good to have an air coming in when you're doing stuff here. And what I'm going to do is to get that bamboo type of like curtain. It's not really a curtain, it's like a something that you can put here and you will be able to like close and open it. So yeah, I think it would look nice as well because it's made of bamboo, and it's very province style. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys, for my little terrace. I'm very, very happy that finally it's done. I think it took my uncle and my brother-in-law about 1 week of actually working on the terrace, and yeah, it's very fast. I'm so happy with it. If I'm going to give it to a different contractor or like worker, it's gonna take them so long. But yeah, because my uncle wanted to go home already to Cagayan, which he is going to in the next 3 days, I believe, now that the terrace is already done. So yeah, I'm quite happy with how it looks. Everything is looking good. In the morning, we could already have coffee here, milk, and have breakfast here, dine in here, and yeah, everything is just done. I'm so happy. I cannot believe that the terrace is already done. I was just trying to conceptualize everything in my mind and how would it look and how nice it would be once it will be done. And here we are. Can you imagine how crazy the journey is we have for the province house? Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys, for my little terrace tour for you. What do you guys think? Let me know if you guys have any suggestions. What should I put here, or anything that we could add, or if you guys have any recommendations what to do, where to put the lights as well, because until now I still cannot figure out where should we put it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram and Facebook. Everything is at meljeansolon. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!